Today we're going to apply a Goof Proof screen printed heat transfer. Start with your heat press set at 360 to 370 degrees with a medium to firm pressure for 3 to 5 seconds. Align your cotton polyester or cotton polyblend apparel onto your heat press and pre-press for a few seconds to remove moisture and wrinkles. Next, with your transfer ink side facing down, align on your apparel. Press for 4 seconds. And peel the transfer paper away in a smooth, even motion while hot. And your Goof Proof screen printed heat transfer is applied.